these are previous examination questions. We have solved all these kind of problems. So when you have any doubt in solving these homework questions, please go through the previous video, solved examples. You will understand how to do it. Exactly same to same. Okay. So let me just give you a little brief explanation about this and what is the hints of this. So homework number 6, design of a tension member with bolted connection. So you have to design a tension member. So when I say design, you have to select a tensile member section, a plate section or an angle section, I section or something you have to select. So here design a tension member of heavy truss carrying a force of 3800 kilonewton and the length of the member is 9 meter and thickness of the plate available is 14 mm, 16 mm and 18 mm. You have to design a section. So instead of an angle section, you have to choose a section based on gross area obtained. But you have to limit the thickness of the plate, thickness of the section to this thickness, say 14, 16, 18. And the plate has a width B and thickness T, and consider the plate of thickness among these values only and find the width of plate B. And this is a problem that is given for 14 marks in November 2018. And the second problem question here about the different types of tension members. Actually, we have discussed about these different types of tension members in our video 1 or 2 of this particular unit. Okay, please refer that. It is given for 4 marks in your previous exam. And coming to the problem number 8, design a tension member with bolted connections again. So here you have to design a tension member to carry 280 kilonewton. The two angles placed back to back with long legs out standing are desirable. So he is asking you to design a tension member using two angles. And moreover, he is saying that to be joined back to back, okay, with long legs outstanding. This is an angle section and it is connected to a gusset plate. ఇలా అనుకుందాం. సో ఇది ఏదైతే ఉందో దీన్ని అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ లెగ్ అంటాము, దీన్ని కనెక్టెడ్ లెగ్ అంటాము. సో లాంగెస్ట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది లెగ్ షుడ్ బి అండ్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ లెగ్ అంటున్నాడు అనమాట. సో టూ యాంగిల్స్ని బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తామంటే దేర్ ఈజ్ ఏ గసెట్ ప్లేట్ హియర్ అండ్ జాయిన్ దిస్ యాజ్ షోన్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిగర్. So these are the two angles back to back. And see here, these are the outstanding legs, which are the longer legs. ఈ రెండు లెన్స్ ఒకట్లా ఉండకూడదు అనమాట. ఓకే, సో చూస్ దాట్ in properly. And when you are solving, refer problem number 3 which we have solved, okay, in the previous videos. And remember the strength of two angle sections which is obtained here is actually twice the strength of single angle section. సో ఒక యాంగిల్ సెక్షన్ని టెన్షన్ మెంబర్ కింద నేను వాడుకుంటే దానికి ఎంతైతే స్ట్రెంత్ ఉంటుందో దానికి ట్వైస్ నేను రెండు యాంగిల్ సెక్షన్స్ని బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ నేను జాయిన్ చేస్తే గసెట్ ప్లేట్తో ఉంటుందన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వెన్ యూ సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్, వెన్ యూ రిఫర్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్ 3. ఓకే, ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ ఇట్ and check the answer, and it is given for 10 marks in your previous examination in April 2017. And problem number 9 as a homework, this is also similar to that. Here it is just a roof truss, tie member or cord, 200 kilonewton తీసుకోవాలి, select a suitable section as per IS specifications, and same two angles placed back to back. These two problems actually are similar, just the load acting on them is different, isn't it right? So let's find out here. And here in this problem number 9 you cannot check for this slenderness ratio because the length of the section is not known, so you cannot do that. But in the problem number 9 the length of the member is given, so you can check the slenderness ratio. after choosing the section. Okay, and here this homework number 9 is actually given for 14 marks in your May April 2019. And coming to homework number 10, calculate design tensile strength of the member. Here you no need to find out, you are not designing the tensile section, but you are just finding out the strength of the this tension member. Okay, design tensile strength of this tension member. So you know that what is the design tensile strength? Design tensile strength of a member is least of what? Yield strength, rupture strength, and third one is block shear strength. ఈ మూడింట్లో ఏదైతే లీస్ట్ ఉందో that value is the design tensile strength of the tension member. So you can just find it out from this. This is the section. What is that? 100 into 75. This is an angle section. So 100 into 75. And 10 mm is the thickness of the angle section. The shorter leg is connected. So this is a gusset plate. Shorter leg is connected, longer leg is like this. And this is actually 75 and this is 100. Thickness this is 10 mm, and we have connected bolts here. Okay, so when you see this angle section, this is how it is going to look. Okay, how many bolts are there? In one row, number of bolts is 5, diameter of the bolts is 20. So we have bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now calculate. See, the critical section is this, and you can easily calculate what is the net area, AN. So find out and check. This is given for 10 marks in your April-May 2019 set. This is a homework question, homework number 9, 4. This is homework number 11, design of a tension member with weld connection. In the previous video, we have actually designed a tension member with weld connection. So take that solved example as a reference and solve this problem. The length of the member is 3000 mm or 3 meter. The factored load is 230 kilonewton, and you have to use a single unequal angle section, and you have to use a 4 mm fillet weld and 4 mm size of the weld. తీసుకోవాలి. So he has given what is the size of the weld that you need to adopt in this case. Okay, and this is one of your previous examination question problem which is given for 14 marks in April 2017.